So I'm sure a lot of people are interested in how a bullet is made. We have hundreds of different parts. Over half of them are custom made for our product, so you can't just buy them off of the shelf from somewhere. Hi, my name is Joey. Here at Aillio, I'm in charge of the supply chain of the bullet roaster. That means procurement of parts and the production of the bullet roasters. So I have a background in engineering. I study electrical engineering, and I also have a degree in business management. So I started out my career as an engineer, and then I pivoted towards more project management roles. And now I'm here at Aillio. So I'm sure a lot of people are interested in how a bullet is made. We have hundreds of different parts. Over half of them are custom made for our product, so you can't just buy them off of the shelf from somewhere. We have close to 100 of suppliers. 95% of them are in Taiwan, so that's kind of good for us because if anything happens or a problem arises, I can be on site within hours, if not within the day. We have two main factories that partner with us. One is the company that helped us make our electronics that makes our PCBAs, and the other one is the factory that helped us assemble the final bullet roaster. And they're both in northern part of Taiwan, so they're really close to our office here in Taipei. A lot of people have asked us why we just decided to pick Taiwan for our base of operations. Why do we produce our bullets here instead of over in China where things are cheaper, where a lot of companies produce their products? And we probably could. It probably would be cheaper, but our focus here is actually on quality and building lasting relationships. So we chose our suppliers very carefully. We chose our very trusted partners here in Taiwan who help us through design and production. And in many cases, our suppliers actually have helped us with our production processes because they are the experts in their given field. And it has helped us improve our product so far. In a more cost-saving driven market in China, it's probably not possible to find partners that we have found in Taiwan. So that's why we decided to produce our bullet roasters here in Taiwan. Because my role is more with suppliers and factories, I don't really get a chance to meet our customers or interact with our customers as much. That changed this year when I went with our company to the Specialty Coffee Expo in Portland, Oregon, in the spring. I got a chance to meet a lot of our customers and got a chance to talk to them about their experiences with our bullet roaster. And it was great. It kind of opened my eyes to what my hard work turned into, which is, good experiences for our customers. And I have to say we have really great customers, and we have built a really great community of customers out there. So shout out to you guys.